Blazing magnets.
Alright people, blazing magnets, how are we doing? So, we're out magnet fishing and we're down in our favourite little spot. Just going to get down these steps where we pulled our guns out, and it is not far from where we live, and it is Bridge 41. So yeah, we found a couple of shotguns here. I think it was our first video that we ever put on YouTube. So we're gonna go and do some magnet fishing. Let's go.
All right, we've got a big thing here.
I can't see me. It goes
We're videoing this on the phone. We found a safe.
I'm on Samuria.
It's nearly killed our ropes. We've got everything on it.
Where is it? You on it?
All 4 of them are coming on it. I'm gonna get it that way.
Oh yeah, I've just These are right. Let's just do 4 magnets on it and see what happens.
Way too heavy. Oh, look at it. If you can pull that, you're strong bloody. Whoa, don't let go.
Please, people, please.
Come on.
Come on.
Come on!
Oh my God, a little drawer and everything.
Oh, shut up. With your little drawer.
Let the water drain out. Right.
Right. Now, how are we going to do this?
Right, let me get my magnet on the back.
Yeah.
Don't let go.
We're not.
Are you pulling back, Paul?
Me
Because
and
I don't
Martin
want you going in.
Sam.
It's out.
Woo!
Wow. Look at the size of that.
Right, I don't know if.
Wow. Jack, come out the way, because if that goes back in, we're all going in. Wow.
We did it.
Really bad. Is that unreal or what?
Right, so we've got it out, and that is what we've got out. And so I just limbo under these ropes without getting filthy.
What's going on? Whose rope is this?
That is a
Oh, this is Marie's is the
Imperial fireproof safe.
It looks like the Royal
Obviously, it's been done.
It looks like the Royal Mail.
God, man.
At least it can still open the doors.
Wow,
If it can
it's
still
got
open
like
the
where
doors,
you'd put.
It hasn't been in there that long.
It got like where you'd put your files in,
Yeah.
and that.
And we've got the drawer at the bottom.
It's got a drawer at the bottom.
We might
No.
find one.
Might find one. So, yeah, man, that's a.
No, the rope's gone in.
Oh,
Now that's caught on film.
we got that on film.
You've been framed.
The Queen threw the rope in. She's that excited about her safe.
That could have been.
That is a safe, man. Have you ever seen a safe that big? I haven't seen a safe that big or that heavy. What a beast. Yeah. This is obviously, well, let me show you. You can obviously tell that this is, so you've got the marina over there, but this is the road, and it is literally in the middle of nowhere. And it's not far from where we live, but obviously it's great. You can just pull up on the bridge and just chuck your stuff in. So obviously, hence why we seem to find quite a lot here. So like I say, we fished it 6 months ago, found guns and bits and bobs. So this looks like it's all gone in there since we last fished. So just going to see what we're going to. Where's that bit that Jack found? So that's what Jack found. Let's put it on the safe. I'll tell you what that is, Jack. That's a plane. It's a plane. Like what you're playing wood with. I'll tell you what, man. That's a proper. I don't know actually. Actually, I don't know if that is a plane. So if you do know what that is, Stick it in the comments. We'd be intrigued to know what that is. It looks like some sort of plane, but I don't know. So yeah, we've got a nice little bridge up there, and that.
She's got something.
What's she got?
Got something.
What's she got? Let's have a look. Whoa! Oh my God!
Wow!
Is that? Oh yeah, man. That's a samurai sword.
It even has queen bees.
Oh, look.
Queen bees arrival.
Wow.
It's got like flowery things in it.
What is them in the end of there?
Oh, yeah. Hey, that's oh, look, there's some this side.
I presume that's probably then attached to that.
Hiya! God, Marie.
Check that out, man.
Oh, chop your head off.
Yeah.
What?
I tell you what, Blazing Magnets, we're getting the fines. Like and subscribe. Check that out, man. Mate, look at the state of it. Look, it's like Spaghetti Junction. Come on, Martin. And you go to the gym? No, you haven't been to the gym for 6 weeks, have you? You need to be cancelling that membership. Right. I'll tell you what, that train line sounds really close, doesn't it? Pulling out the side of the bank? Or is it definitely moving? The joys of magnet fishing. Once you find something, you're hooked. So we got it. And that's it. I don't know where the door is. We didn't pull a door out last time we were here, did we? No. So there's another one. So that's a number 2 safe. That's a big one and all. But we've also got what looks to be, I don't know whether I might have put my torch on here. It looks to be the back of a safe that's been cut out. So I don't know whether you can see. There, look. To me, it looks like it's been cut out. So I don't know. I have no idea. We've also got spanner. Who found the spanner? Marie found the spanner, so it's 2-1 now in the spanner race.
We've got 2 spanners and they were joined together on 2 magnets.
Oh right, so it's what have you got now? So we've got bike frame as well. Cut up bike frame. We've got some other bits and bobs here. God knows. What the hell is? What is that underneath there? What that bit?
Yeah.
I have no idea what that is. Got a crook lock. I'll tell you what, this is a dumping ground here, isn't it? You got something else now? Man. Another bit of rebar.
They've got bends on them, I don't know with you, yeah.
He's got something a bit big, I think. Oh, come on! I'm loving this. Just to let you know, it's 8 o'clock in the evening as well.
That's a belt buckle, that is.
You pulled a bit of stuff out down here and all, didn't you, Jack?
Chipotle.
He pulled a big bit of chain out down here.
Chipotle.
It's a crook lock. You got it again, Carol. You lost it. Oh, damn it. What have we got?
A box of spanners! Oh, look! A box of spanners! Oh my God, look at it! Look at that!
What the?
Holy Manoli. It's a toolbox.
Cheers, away.
Look at this.
Yeah, man. Right, so we've absolutely hammered the GoPro.
I think that's
I've
a
got
chain.
nothing left on it, so I'm going to have to.
Where's the other bit of that?
I'm going to have to.
I think that's Sherry.
So, well, watch your head a minute.
Hey?
Right. We've got a bucket full of spanners and tools.
my
There's
God.
the bit. But then also, quickly, that's what else we pulled out. Ben, Jack, you got your gloves on?
I know.
Pick them up. Pick that up.
What?
When just the sword.
My sword?
Yeah, I need to look at it because that's what we've just pulled out. So, we've just got, that's Brad, his new sword.
Yeah,
Might take it to him on Sunday.
Sunday you can have that.
We'll let him have that.
It's Jack Sparrow's sword.
We've got left to deal with this.
I got two at the same time, look.
2 more rebar as well, look. I tell you what, right, this is turning into another night fishing video.
Oh my God, I can't see
I want
what
to go
I'm doing.
home.
Do ya?
Have Chinese.
Ah, what else you got on there, son? What else have you got?
I've got spanners everywhere.
What else you got? What's that?
Oh, what's that?
What is that? Let's have a look.
Your dad will never believe me.
I don't know, it looks like a knife or something. Bit of a tool.
Oh my
Blimey,
God,
man.
that could be good.
I'll tell you what, there's another tool that Jack's just found.
Oh my God.
I'll tell you what, this is unreal.
It's coming, it's going, it's going
Look, the spanners are coming all the time.
She's got a full-on,
I've nearly got a bucket full.
the Queen has got a full-on toolkit. Absolute full-on
Oh
toolkit.
my God.
What we'll have to do here is we'll have to
What is that?
we'll have to take all this lot home and we'll have to clean it and make a video of it in the day.
No, Dad,
Yeah.
Dad,
What?
Queen the builder, can she find it? Yes, she
The
can.
Queen finds anything.
I could...
Right, so we're done. We're done for the evening. It's now 8:10. Well, near enough 8:10. We're going to tidy up all the bits that we got out, but we're going to be back here because there's still a load of stuff in here, man. So we've got tonight 2 swords. We've got a samurai sword and another sword, 2 safes, a full toolbox full of spanners and stuff, a bike frame. The list just goes on. I'll take a photo of them all and we'll whack them on our Facebook page so you guys can see them all. Amazing. Like I say, we fished here 6 months ago and this was pretty empty, and obviously it's just a dumping ground, so yeah, brilliant. What a cracking night, considering that after last weekend's was dire and we have found nothing. So once again, thanks to all our subscribers. Big shout out to Just Ash on your live streams for shouting us out, and we'll see you on Sunday. And anyone else that obviously watches our videos. Thanks, guys. Brilliant. So we are going to clean up now. I'm going to give the police a ring around about them safes and obviously let them know what we found. And we're going to rock on home and have some tea. So blazing magnets out. Bye bye.